So you're not too clear on how to create and sell an online course. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 things that you can implement today in Kajabi to help you to create and sell your online course profitably in one day. Let's go. For the best advice on how to create and launch your own successful online business, I'm going to invite you to hit that subscribe button and click on that bell notification so that you can be notified every single time I create content just like this, specifically designed for you. Now, when it comes to launching courses online, it does not have to be difficult. In fact, there are 3 basic foundations which you need to set up, which I'll cover in this video, which will help you to launch profitably. One of my clients recently followed these 3 steps or foundations, and they were able to get results that looked something like this. Over a 2-week period, they were able to get $20,000 in revenue, and it was just their first launch. So my desire through this video is to reveal those 3 steps and hopefully help you to be able to get similar results for yourself. Now, before we get started, if you have got no idea what Kajabi is at all, it's an all-in-one website builder, which is specifically used by people who want to sell information online, people who are course creators and want one platform that has got everything, all the tools that they need all in one, that will help them to sell their courses profitably. So foundation number 1 is that you need to create a sales page. If you are going to create and sell your course online, you will need to have a very effective sales page. Basically, a sales page is one page that you put either as your website or on your website that basically defines and describes what your product is about. It includes stuff like having an enticing headline that speaks directly to the person who you want or expect to buy your product. It looks at stuff like describing what exactly the product is about and what's inside the product, like a listing or like maybe of your modules and what people can actually expect. You put stuff like a guarantee for people who are not too sure whether it's the right product or not. You give them a good guarantee, maybe 14 days, 30-day guarantee. You include some bonuses for people who actually buy now rather than later. And the last thing that you might want to include, that you definitely have to include, is a call to action, telling people buy now, click on this button now and actually buy. And just to show you, so inside Kajabi, it's very simple to actually create a sales page. In fact, there are 2 ways that I just want to show you right now. And all you just have to do is just from your dashboard, the first way is that you just click on website and then you just click on pages. This is so simple and easy to do. And then you just come and click on new page. And what basically what happens is that Kajabi will give you some templates that have already been pre-made or are set up, that you can just choose a template that you like and then just build your sales page from there. This is actually for more advanced users, and the good part about Kajabi is that anybody can be an advanced user as long as you're willing to spend a day or 2 just seeing how things move around. It's so simple and easy that you can start building sales pages from scratch. So this is the easiest way. Let's just say I choose a template. I can just click on that one, get started, name it. I'll just call it T for now, and then create. And then as you can see, Kajabi starts putting together the page. And then all that I'll just have to do is then just go inside and then just add my text, add my images, and then lay it out the way that I want it to be. So once I'm inside, all I just have to do is just scroll up and down, and then just there are already templates or images and text that are already set up in there. All I just have to do is just edit them. And just by clicking like on the text, as you can see, like by the side here, it comes this option where I can just insert my text. On the images, I can just click on an image there, insert the image that I want. The background's at the back. I just have to click on the background, and then automatically it pops up a section here to my left where I can choose the images that I want to use. And basically this left section here is where you add content, you add everything that you want. You can click on ads section here, and then it gives you a whole list of different types of content that you actually can upload and set up here so that your page can look whatever way that you want it to look. The second way for you to build a sales page from your dashboard right here is that you just come and click on marketing here. And then the first option that pops up is pipelines. You just click on create pipeline. And once again, Kajabi is going to give you some different options of the different pipelines that you can choose. If you want to just create a sales page, there's this one which says simple sales page, and then there's another one which says sales page OVO. OVO basically stands for opt-in, value, and then offer. In other words, rather than just taking people to your sales page straight, you can actually give them like an opt-in, like maybe a lead magnet or something that will entice them to want to engage with you. For example, 10 ways to do blah, blah, blah. And then because it's something that's enticing that people want, they opt into it. You get their email, and then you can start doing email marketing to them. And maybe let me just click on that one quickly, and then just to show you here, basically it's the opt-in page where you're giving them a freebie, and then after they opt into that, Kajabi sets up 8 emails for you, which you can just easily just go in and edit to your preference, to your brand name and details and stuff like that. And then after those 8 emails have been sent, you then send them to a sales page. And then from the sales page, you're going to go on to the checkout page, and I'll explain what a checkout page is just now. But basically, I love this one because the email templates are actually set up for you. You just have to edit them. You can choose whether you want them to be exactly 8. You can choose whether maybe you just want to do 4 emails or 5 emails, or actually even extend them to as many as you want. But it just makes the whole process just a whole lot easier. But I just want to show you, like here, this one says simple sales page. All I just have to do is just click on it, and then I click on create pipeline. And then Kajabi starts processing it, and then it asks me what's the name of my pipeline. What is the name of my pipeline? I'll just call it T again, the T pipeline. And then I get to choose which offer I want it to go to. And then I'll just say generate pipeline. Basically, offers are another way of saying how much is your course. It's an offer. Like, for example, if your course is for $97, that price of $97 is actually the offer. So you have to choose an offer. You have to create an offer, and I'll show you that just now. Once it's done loading, it brings you to this page here. As you can see, there are 2 options here. There's a sales page, and then there's an offer checkout. You want to click on sales page first, and then basically it's going to load up again, and it's going to give you another template that you can use to just edit and create your sales page. You do the same thing like I showed you earlier on. You just edit like the title there. You can add your video there. There's a call to action there. You just edit the call to action. You can put some images and express or explain the benefits of your course. You can add some testimonials. You can add another offer there, and then like the call to action. But the only difference now is that actually the section where you edit here is now to your right. It's just different that way, especially if you're using pipelines. If I click and say pipeline and just go back there again, the next thing that is there is offer checkout. And if I click on that, it's then going to open, which leads me to my step number 2, or foundation number 2, which will help you to sell courses online. You need to have a checkout page, or you need to have a page where you can actually process people's payments. Basically, a checkout page is a page where people will just enter their credit card details, their name and their address, whatever details you might require from them. And so once I come here, when I clicked on that and then I come here, I just need to name it. What do I want it to be called? I've got an internal title and then external title. The title, first one, is what people will see. That's the name of the offer. But internal is you get to describe it the way that you want. And then there's an option here for you to select an image. If I just click on select image, I get to upload a new file. I can just drag and drop a file here. For example, I can just create a nice banner for my course, get a graphic designer to create that for me, and then I'll just put it in there so that it represents the course. But then I can come here to this option which says edit checkout. And if I click on that, it's going to basically show me what my checkout page looks like. From the sales page that we just created, this is the next page that they're going to see. They're going to see this option to pay with PayPal. If you add other payment options, for example, like Stripe, it's going to immediately just add like a section for them to add their credit card details and stuff like that. Here's an example of a checkout page that I created for one of my clients. As you can see, there's a banner up there with the image, with her logo over there. There's the price. There's the option for them to add their credit card. They choose to subscribe to a list or not to a list. And then there's the photo of the product. as you can see. Then there's just a brief explanation of what exactly they'll be getting inside, and then they get to choose whether to buy or not. They just click on complete my purchase. So you can actually edit it and make it look as amazing as you want. Now, I'm curious to know, have you ever launched a course before, or this is going to be your first time launching a course? I'd love to know in the comments section below. Just leave a comment about whether you've launched a course before and maybe how it went, or maybe it's your first time and you're looking forward to launching a course. I'd love to have a conversation with you about that. Let me know in the comment section. Foundation number 3 is the members area or the course library. You'll need to have a members area or course library if you're selling courses online. Basically, that is a place where people can get access to your course. You want to be able to upload your course, preferably if it's video material, onto your website, and then people should be able to pay for your course, sales page, checkout page, and then get access to the members area where they'll actually see the course. And just to show you from your dashboard here, in order for you to create that, all you just have to do is come and click on products over here, and then once you get to products, as you can see, there's a product that I have already created here just to use an example as an example. But actually, this is actually a course that I actually sell. But this is just, I'm just using this for example purposes. All you have to do is just click on new product. Maybe let me open this in a new tab because I want to show you an example from here. Once I click on new product, Kajabi will ask me what type of product do I want to create. I get to choose whether it's a mini course, an online course, a membership, evergreen training, a community coaching program, or I want to start from scratch. And I'm going to be actually be talking about these different types of courses in the near future. If you want me to create another training on these specific ones, let me know which one you want me to start off with in the comment section. But I'm just going to click on mini course for now and just click on generate, and basically it's going to ask me what's the name of my product. So I'm just going to name it whatever I want. As you can see here, it says mini course. I just left it as that, and then it's just going to generate and populate itself. And once done, what I have to do then is then just upload the content. And what it basically does is that Kajabi will give you these different categories that you can rename and then edit the content. For example, course contents, if I click on welcome aboard, I just click on that there. And then it's going to bring me here to a section where I can add the video. I can add a video that looks like something like this. There's an option here which says visibility, publish or just leave it as a draft. I just edit. All I just have to do is just click on video, select video, upload file, or maybe just locate a file that I had already uploaded earlier on, and then just upload it there. I get to name the lesson. If for now it just says welcome on board, I can change that to lesson 1 or whatever I want. And then here it says body. I get to define what exactly they're going to be learning here and stuff like that. Then there's this option which says add downloads. In other words, if I've got some lesson notes or some assignments that I want to give them in Word format or in document format, or if I actually want to give them the course as an audio format, MP3 format, I can just add them here just by clicking on add downloads. I just drag and drop here, and then it will automatically be loaded up. If my particular lesson has got its own branding and own image, I just have to come here where it says post an image, and then I click there and then select upload a new file or select a recent file from my library of photos that maybe I had been uploading. And just to show you as an example, here's a product that I'd already created. If I click on this is what it looks like. As you can see, I've already got my own branded image there, the course launch blueprint, and there's just one lesson that I have there. But if I click on preview so that you can see what it actually looks like inside the members area, this is what it's going to look like here. I get to put my name or my company name. I can choose to either write it out, or I can actually choose to put a logo up there. And then I can create a menu, whatever menu that I want to have there. I can also create that. And then this section here, I get to brand it whatever I want. I just chose to go for black and then name it the course launch blueprint. If someone wants to start the course, they just have to click right here on start course. As you can see, this lesson has been branded with that image. There's another image here, just that's the course image. Then right here at the bottom, there's a section for you to put your image, who or what you are. I'm an instructor, as you can see, and then a brief bio about who you are and what you do. And obviously, as you can see, there's a terms and privacy at the bottom there. There's my copyright there. Then there's my link to my social media platforms. Now, for some bonus features which you need to be aware of that Kajabi will give you totally for free in your package. The first one is that email marketing. One of the bedrocks of any successful online business is email marketing, and you can actually do email marketing within Kajabi. All you have to do is just come back here to marketing, click on marketing there, and then as you can see, the second option after pipelines is email campaigns. In order for you to create an email campaign, all you have to just do is click on that email campaigns there, and then choose email new campaign, and then choose whether you want to do a broadcast or you want to do an email sequence. Basically, an email sequence, I'll just name that T. Basically, an email sequence is a series of emails that you will send out. It's very important that before someone actually buys from you, they need to know you, like you, and trust you. One of the easiest ways to get people to know you, like you, and trust you is by constantly sending them value via email. So Kajabi actually allows you to create emails. For example, here there's day one email. I can create a subject there, then I can create the content here. I can upload images, I can put links to wherever I want them to go and see some other content or stuff like that. I can create different emails for different days. As you can see, I can change the date here. Day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. It's because I can create a sequence of emails for each different day. The next thing is automations. Automations basically means that if this happens, then this must happen. For example, if I create a lead magnet or something that I'm giving away for free, I then can automatically add people to a certain email sequence. If someone buys a particular course from me, I can choose to say that because they bought this course and not this other course, therefore they must get into this email sequence or they must see this type of video. I can put certain conditions and say that if they have not completed the course up to this level, then they must not get access to this other information. The next bonus feature of Kajabi is that you actually can use it to set up a full website. Like I mentioned at the start, you can actually just create a sales page. Those three things are the main things that you need to sell online. A sales page, a checkout page, and then your members area. That's all that you need. But if you want to expand and then maybe have a blog and maybe like a full website, you actually can set up all that inside of Kajabi. So you can have a home page, you can have an About Us page, all created from inside of Kajabi. Now, the last major benefit that I want to talk about Kajabi is that it actually allows you to sign up people as affiliates to your course. A lot of people wonder how is it that some people are able to launch an online course and make millions of dollars first time round. One of the ways that people do that is by doing what we call a JV launch. JV just stands for joint venture, where you get other people with big followings or big email lists to actually promote your product, and then you just give them like a commission or something like that. It actually allows you to recruit people that can actually promote your course on your behalf, and then if they get sales, they get a commission, whatever percentage that you want to give them. Now, full disclaimer, I am a Kajabi partner, which means that if you decide to use Kajabi using the link which I've put below this video, I will be rewarded by Kajabi at totally no expense to you. If you decide to pay for Kajabi going forward, after you've tried Kajabi for the next 28 days, and you say Kajabi is for you, Kajabi is going to reward me for that. So I just wanted to let you know that. And also as an incentive, hopefully just to get you to use Kajabi, not because I want to get that reward, but because I really think it's a great product. It's what I use for myself. Firstly, you're going to get access to a 28-day trial. Ordinarily, it's a 14-day trial, but I requested it from Kajabi that we actually set up maybe 28 days. So that, because that's a lot of time to help you to actually get set up and hopefully launch and profit before you have actually finished trialing. So you're going to get access to a 28-day free trial. Secondly, I'm going to give you my free templates so that you can have your own home page, your own About Us page, and your sales pages set up. All you just have to do is just take the template, upload it, and then you just edit the text and you edit the images. The difference between what the template I'm giving you and the ones that are already inside of Kajabi is that these are the same templates that I use to get, like I mentioned, one of my clients was able to get some great results earlier on, and that's the exact template that I'm going to be giving you to use for yourself. The next thing that you will then get is that I created a short video training which will show you how to put Kajabi together using those templates and some other things I might not have covered within this video. And then the third thing that you get is that you will get access to me. I'd love to get onto a call with you for free and actually help you to get clear on your course launch strategy, what approach you need to use and how you need to move going forward. That's all for the people who are going to choose to click the link below and use Kajabi using my link. Click on that link and then you find out all the details. Well, I hope that was helpful to you. And lastly, I'd love to invite you, if you have not done so already, please click on the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you can be notified every single time I create content just like this to help you as a course creator. And also make sure that you check out these videos. Okay, I'm not sure where they are. Make sure that you check out these videos because they will be helpful to guide you as a course creator on how to create and sell your course online, and a basic walkthrough everything you need to know about selling courses online. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I'll check you out in the next video.